Hello po mga kabahay and welcome po sa aming vlog and Happy New Year po, Happy 2025. Now we have a pre-owned property po dito sa Maymayamot Antipolo, boundary po ng Sumulong Cainta. So kung naghahanap po kayo within the area ng Sumulong na malapit po sa FEU Roosevelt, meron po tayo ngayon dito which is 5.5 million pesos. Slightly negotiable po, pwede po itong cash, pwede rin pong through bank financing. Ang lote po natin dito is 52, then ang floor natin is mga approximate 54 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, then meron tayong attic area sa third floor. So taas po tayo, makita niyo po yung mga bedrooms natin. And first off, we have a common toilet and bath, then our first bedroom. And then, after that, meron tayong master's bedroom na kasama na yung cabinet and yung ating bed. Kasama na rin po yung mga ilaw, then yung aircon dito. Then we have our third floor which is located yung ating attic. So, ganyang kalawak po yung attic natin. This is another room dito sa attic.